Hi, my name is Stuart Ralston. I'm the chef owner of LYLA, Aizle, Noto and Tipo, all in Edinburgh, and I'm about to make a dish that is dry aged turbot, Jerusalem artichoke with N25 caviar. So this dish is the main fish course on the tasting menu downstairs for dinner. The really beautiful thing about it is the dry aged turbot. So we've got a lot of day boat turbots come in. Usually try and get something around 5 kilo. We dry age it upstairs in the lounge. We've got big dry agers for the fish. So this is our fish dry ager. Up here we've got some turbot, the dry aged turbot we're going to use today. Some kingfish, some bass. We make some trout charcuterie down the bottom, some hand-dyed scallops. So I'm just going to take this turbot downstairs and fillet it. So we're just going to start to fillet the turbot from the neck, come round. So now we're just going to stuff the fillets of turbot with the scallop mousse by taking it on here, basically open it up. We use a little bit of meat glue, a little bit of trans glutamine, helps the proteins stick together once we wrap it up. You take the scallop mousse, pipe it into the middle, put the other fillet on top. We're just going to wrap it up into a nice tight balancing. And that's the stuffing of the turbot done, ready to poach in the butter. So he's going to portion the fish into 50-gram size pieces. Just going to drop the turbot into the clarified butter at 50 degrees to warm it up. So we're just going to slice the Jerusalem artichokes really thin and get ready to put them into the pickle. Just watching you cut your fingers off. Make sure they're all nice and small. So yeah, all the excess trimmings of the artichokes we just crush up after we steam them. Mix them with a little hazelnut oil, touch of cream, a decent bit of salt. So we'll just warm up the artichokes now, and this will sit on the bottom of the bowl, ready to put the turbot on top of it, and then the sauce. And then we're going to plate up the dry aged turbot. So I'm going to spoon in the Jerusalem artichoke, top it with the warm fish. I'm going to dust the artichokes in the kelp powder and shingle them across the fish. Top it with the caviar and the sauce at the table. And there we have the dry aged turbot with Jerusalem artichoke and N25 caviar.